Hello, respectable audience. We have to simplify this question. So it's looking tough, but it is very simple. So we have to convert all these numbers into 5. Means this 25 is converted into 5, this 25 is converted into 5, and this 25 is converted into 5. So it will become 5 multiplied by 25 can be written as 5 as pair, and already it has power n plus 1 minus 25 can be written as 5 a square, and it has 5 raised to power 1. In the denominator, we have 5 and 5 raised to power 2n plus 3 minus this 25 can be written as 5 square n plus 1. So again, it can be written as it has for 1, it has for 1. So when base are same, we will add all the powers. So first of all, we will make this power as single. So we will get 5 raised to power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2n plus 2. Mean 2 is multiplied with n and 1, so 2n plus 2. Because if we have a par m, then there n, then m and n are multiplied, a par n multiplied n. So that rule is applied here, 2 par n plus 2 minus 5 for 2 and 5 for 2n. In the denominator, we have 5 for 1 and 5 for 2n plus 3 minus. Apply this rule to here, we will get 5 raised to 2n plus 2. So now we have a rule a par m multiplied by a par n, then base is written at single, and pars will be added, m plus n. So 5, 5 we will write at a single time, and pars will be added, so we will get 2 n plus 2 plus 1 minus 5 raised to 2n plus 2. And similarly, in the denominator, we will have 5's power 2n plus 3 plus 1 minus 5 par 2n plus 2. Means, if you see here, we have 4 5's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the least par is 2n plus 1. So we can take common 5 raised to par 2n plus 2. Because it is here and here it is also mentioned 2n plus 2. So we will take common as 5 raised to the power 2n plus 2 will be taken as common. So if we take common in the numerator, 5 raised to the power 2n plus 2 as common, what will be the remaining term here? We will have 5 raised to the power of 1. And from here, we have taken as a whole common, so it will be 1. And in the denominator, we will take common 5 raised to plus 2n plus 2. And what will be here? It is 2n plus 4. And we have taken 5 raised to power 2n plus 2 common, so 5 raised to 2 will be here. And it is taken as a whole common, so here will be 1. Now, we can cancel these two terms because these are same. And in the numerator, we have 5 minus 1. And in the denominator, 5 square will be equal to 25 minus 1. 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. And it is 24. Now, we can cancel 4, 1 and 4, 6. So it will be 1 over 6. Answer. Thank you for your support.